Hello friends, in this session we are going to read a very interesting speech delivered by our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This speech was delivered in the Constituent Assembly on 14th of August 1947. Like this, the speech. Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny. And now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantial. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends and when the soul of the nation, long suppressed, finds utterance. It is fitting that at this solemn moment we take the pledge of dedication to the service of India and the people and to the still larger cause of humanity. At the dawn of the history, India started on her unending quest, and trackless centuries are filled with striving and the grandeur of her success and her failures. Through the good and ill fortune alike, she has never lost sight of that quest or forgotten the ideals which gave her strength. We end today a period of ill fortune, and India discovers herself again. The achievements we celebrate today is but a step, an opening of opportunity to the greater triumphs and achievements that await us. Are we brave enough and wise enough to grasp this opportunity and accept the challenge of the future? So this was the speech delivered by Honorable Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in the Constituent Assembly on 14th of August 1947. So I hope you must have enjoyed the speech. Thank you.